Hey guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. And today is an informative video and we're going to talk about what does the AH in battery capacity mean. Well, we know what it stands for, but what does it actually mean? So the AH stands for ampere hour or amp hour and is basically the amount of time the battery will be able to power a component. So 1 ampere is the amount of energy that the battery will allow a component which draws a current of 1 ampere for 1 hour. There's also a formula by which you can calculate the discharge time if you know how much current the component draws, and that is ampere is equal to current into the discharge time. So for example, if I have a battery which has 8 ampere of energy and the component that it's connected to draws 0.5 ampere of current, so the discharge time will be equal to 16 hours. You might have seen smartphones with 4000 milliamperes, 5000 milliamperes battery nowadays. This amount, this capacity gives the manufacturers a rough idea of how much time it will take for the battery to completely discharge from 100 to a 0%. And also note that this discharge time is only given for ideal conditions only. There are no external factors that are considered while calculating this discharge time. But then there is another term which comes up while considering ampere, and that is watt hour. If a bunch of batteries have the same ampere capacity, sometimes some of them will give and deliver more charge when compared to the others. But how is that possible? Well, those batteries may have a higher voltage amount. You see, voltage allows the batteries to deliver energy for a longer period of time. So the higher the voltage, higher the watt hour, and hence it will take the battery a longer amount to discharge. So the formula becomes watt hour is equal to voltage into ampere hour. For example, let's take battery A with capacity of 2200 milliamperes and battery B with the same capacity, that is 2200 milliamperes. But let's consider that battery A has a voltage of 7.2 volts and battery B has a voltage of 11.1 volts. Now, which one of these two will deliver charge for a longer period of time? Let us know in the comment section down below. Again, note that higher the watt hour, longer the battery is going to take to discharge. That means it will deliver energy for a longer period of time. And that was it. That was what ampere and watt hour mean and how to calculate the discharge time. Hope this video helps you in choosing the right batteries for your projects and your drones, etc. And if you like this video and if you found it helpful, leave it a like, share it with your friends, let them know what ampere actually means, and subscribe if you already haven't. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.